Okay, go straight northeast. Get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ban, may Radiant Lord sa banda!
No.
Radiant yan, Radiant yan.
Vermin yun.
Gago.
Hindi ako
Everyone out, boys. Everyone out.
O, diba kami ang gago. Radiant nga, gagi.
Everyone out.
Ito yung inaano ko sa taas, oh.
Oh, hindi.
Gago,
north side
Radiant
nga,
yung
Ban,
nasa taas na.
Yung north side nga banda, pet. Yun nga, kay
Oh.
sabi ko eh.
Halo
Kaso
sila
mali-
dito, Radiant pati Vermin.
Oh, mali yung bato ng skill eh. Kaya pag, magi-GG eh.
Yeah, this one to you get to me, boys. This one to you get to me. All DPS, this one to you get to me.
Akin na.
We go straight southeast, boys. Get ready in 5,
Risikat.
4, 3, 2, 1. Go straight southeast, boys. Go straight southeast.
Nice bomb.
Nice, come back, boys. Come back.
Help each other lang ah. Kasi
Come
meron-
back, kill this mobs. Kill this guards, boys. Kill this guards. Boys. Enigmatic on us, okay? If someone is dying, drop your,
Close sila dito sa may wall sa may pinaka-north. Ito yung bomb squad nila. Sa akin mismo.
Okay.
Yo, one tank.
Sabog to ban. Sasabog sa'yo to.
Yo, heal the guy, heal. Drop his boys at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop his, we need to kill the guard fast.
Last one, enigmatic.
We all there, kill the guards, guys. I said kill the guards. See? Don't mind the guy.
Huwag kayo mag-in-shop ba? Nakatingin yung bomb squad sa inyo.
Yo, hold there, boys. Hold there. Yo, can someone pull these two guards? Pull these two guards, boys.
Gago ito pa.
Pull these guards.
Gago, sakit.
Drop his boys in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop his guys. Wala pa si
Bomb
Justin
squad
na
na
namatay.
Namatay.
Nag-AC ata yan.
Is ng Torre yung bomb squad nila, Ban. Charging now. Is ng Torre.
Yo, hold there, boys. Hold there. Kill this one more guard.
Nakabawi yung ano. Palamabing nakatingin sa inyo ha, palamabing.
Yo, fake on palamabing, guys. Fake on palamabing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fake. Cancel.
Doon, bedrock mo yung ano, ha. Nandyan yung
Yo, come north. Walk with me. Follow me. Yo, get ready. Straight southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight southwest, boys. Kill this guy. Kill this riot guy, boys. Kill the riot guy. Yo, come. Kill the guy, boys.
Sisi lang.
Southeast nyo, may vermin ba?
Oy, may are yung bomb squad na sa akin.
Okay. Yo,
Are lang. Puro
Vermin to.
Vermin yan.
Yo, pop your boots, boys. Occult na, boys. Pop your boots, boys. West.
Help me si gamer na naman.
Sige lang.
Keep going, boys. Keep going.
Andiyan pala si Rengo eh.
Oo.
Yo, hold there, boys.
Doon,
Shit,
katabi
push.
yan. Check ko yung ano.
Sige, tulak
Yo,
mo
get
lang,
ready.
pag
Southeast,
minsan.
boys. Southeast. Wait, 10 seconds.
Going back sila.
Walang
Meron dito pa.
Sino? Palamabing?
Malayo na.
Yo, over the wall,
Andito
boys.
pa yung bomb.
4,
Andito pa yung bomb nila.
2, 1. Over the wall, boys. We all there, boys. Kill this one, mob. Kill this one, guy.
Medyo malambot na yun sa mid nila. Paubos na eh.
Mounting up yung bomb dito.
Mounting na mounting na.
Kapag sila.
Yo, Amer South, boys. We catch them, boys. Get ready. No. We all, boys. Yo, come back, boys. Come back. We mount. They're done, boys. They're dead. Mount. Yeah. Come northeast, come, no. West, southwest, boys. Southwest.
Game na agad. Gago si Sikil, nasa ano na pala to? Vermin.
Alt ka lang eh.